This handsome guy shares how to make money online. So let's check it out.
For $1,000 actually listening to music, radioearn.com.
If you don't already have an account, you can go ahead and register. But since I already have an account, I'll just log in instead. So this is how the interface of the website looks like. Just checking to ensure everything is well organized, that we are not missing out on anything, because we actually want to make this money using this method shared by this guy. So after everything is well set, we just go ahead and follow the instructions to start making money online on this platform. So you would have to listen to music, okay, using either radio 1 or 2 for 15 minutes. The timer will keep counting down every minute until it gets to 15th minute. And at the expiration of the 15th minute, another timer will start, just in case you want to continue. Or if you don't, you can log out and receive your payment. Automatically, at the expiration of the first 15 minutes, you'll be credited with 0.23 points, which will go ahead to find out how much in dollars that is worth. So after listening successfully to the different songs, by the way, the songs were dope, and at the expiration of the 15 minutes, here we are, 0.23 points. the date specified 1 point equals the amount specified as shown on their website. So you do your math and tell me if it's worth it.